Let's talk about Lwa Kita in Haitian Vodou. That Lwa is from Jacmel in Haiti. There's a city that bears a name, Tikita, in La Vallée de Jacmel, in the southeast of Haiti. It could be considered as her birthplace, but there are several Tikita. There are Kita Brital, Gansimba, Jean Kita, Kita Bois, Simbi Kita, and the list goes on and on. Some people say instead of Kita being a Lwa, Kita is a job god. I'll have to talk about this in another video, basically telling the difference between when a spirit is a lwa or a job. If a lwa or a job bears the title of God, you already know that spirit's main priorities are protection, vengeance, and so on. But usually those spirits are hot spirits, very fiery. They don't play, and when you work with them, you find quicker results. Kita is a really big and powerful job. Kita can be very evil depending on what you ask of her, and she's very unpredictable. Some malfecte Haitian term for people who use voodoo to do mostly evil works, they can use Kita's energy to attack people. Those they attack lose lots of weight until they look like flesh and bones walking. They cough a lot. Mostly symptoms people suffering from tuberculosis. But modern medicine can never tell what's going on with that person's health until they can die from it. It is not surprising if Kita even starts attacking the malfecte that was using him. It is like black magic. If you take the risk to partake in it, better get ready for any outcome because they often backfire on you. Other symptoms of Kita attacking someone is to cause lots of wounds or ulcers like to start popping out on people's skins. And doctors start giving you lots of false diagnostics, saying diabetes, cancer, and so on. It causes chaos. If you are dealing with Kita, you have to give her offerings to appease the chaotic energy. Regardless of whatever I say about some fiery spirits, for some people, they could be the best spirits they are serving because they know how to use them, communicate with them, give them offerings. Most important thing, they don't use them to hurt others because what goes around comes back around. Other characteristics of Kita, he doesn't like kids. When she sees a kid, she wants to bite one after them and bite them. That's why they keep kids away from her when she's around. If you let her bite the kid could get sick and worse, pass away. However, if you ask for her favor to cure a kid that's sick, it could be one of the best decisions you could take because it is said she won't only cure that child, but she will leave her blessing on her. You can literally let that kid in the middle of crossroads at night. Nothing will happen to them. Remember, I talked about Lugaru in the last video. Well, Kita and Lugarus don't go along. So Kita can help you out with her protection for your kid to keep him safe from Lugarus. She don't play with them. Kita works with the escort Danti Mazila. Kita is of the earth energy. She is a Jabitation. I will dig more into Jabitation in another video. The meanest Kita are the female ones. The history behind the Kitas were people that they took kidnapped from places in Africa. A lot of them came from privileged lifestyles. When they became victims of slavery, they had it really hard. They had grudges. To fight the colonizers, they would poison, ambush, and kill their masters' wives' children. When caught as punishment, their masters would burn them alive. So they are intranquil spirits like Marinet, Erzulie Je Rouj, and so on. Their spirits aren't manipulation, pieces of lands. One of the reasons they are Jabitation. They are unpredictable and traitors because they can harm those who serve them. They will sacrifice yellow goat to Kita. They drink alcohol. Some give them wine and they also drink gasoline too. That's how fierce they are. In possession, sometimes they start rolling on the ground and later on start dancing. FYI, if the spirit is a earth energy spirit, they would dance on the ground. They would roll, on the ground, and because they have to greet their energy first. They are primarily Earth's energy, so they have to greet the Earth first. Their eyes roll back into their heads in possession. Their colors are yellow, in some places red, green, blue, and so on. This is the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to comment suggesting what I talk about next, and to show your appreciation, share the videos on your social media, click the thanks button, or use my PayPal information in the description. That would mean a lot. Take care and see you in another video.